Good morning. I'm going to tell you about how I would like you to practice some new vocabulary for the adventures of Tom Sawyer and how we can do that using Quizlet. So your first job will be to go to your Google Classroom, click on Classwork, and click on Vocabulary Practice, Chapter 1. So then you will see the link to flashcards. Awesome. You are now in Quizlet. Remember, last week we used Quizlet to practice, to play a game with each other to practice vocabulary from this month so far. So today there are 3 different things that I want you to do. I want you to first practice with the flashcard function. Remember, that is where you see the vocabulary term or word, and you can click on the card to see the definition or the meaning. Okay, so you can see here that the word chore means a daily task such as cleaning, cooking, and shopping. That isn't fun. Usually it isn't fun. Okay? Okay. The next thing I want for you to do, please, is to practice with the learn function. So after you go through all the vocabulary words in the flashcard function, you go to the next word. I want you to please go to learn. Okay, learn is, it will show you a picture and you need to click on the correct definition or the correct vocabulary term. Okay, so some of them have a picture, some of them just have some writing. Okay, your job is to decide which is the correct answer. Okay, so that is the second thing that I want for you to do. Okay, finally, I want you to play one game. Do not play gravity. Do not play gravity. It is very confusing. Okay, I want you to play match. So your job in this match game is to make everything disappear. In other words, go away. You need to drag corresponding items. Corresponding is a word that means connected or similar, or they are matched somehow. So drag corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. So you will start game. Okay. So it does time me, but that's okay. You can take all the time that you need. So your job is to find a definition or a picture that you know the answer to. So I just practiced the word chore, and I see this picture, a daily task such as cleaning, cooking, and shopping. That isn't fun. So I'm going to take this with my mouse and I'm going to drag it to chore. Okay, I'm not going to do it quite yet because I want to show you what happens if you don't get the word correct. So if I drag it to jam, it will not disappear. Okay, so I need to match the definition and the vocabulary term. And there it goes. Okay, great. So to repeat, you have 3 jobs with Quizlet today. You need to please study the flashcards, study with the learn function or feature, and then play the match game. Okay. Also, it's important that you know I can see what you have done. All right, I can see what you've done. So if you have only done one thing of the 3 things I need you to do or would like you to do, I will say, hey, can you please play the match game? Can you please study the flashcards? Okay. All right. I'm looking forward to hearing about your experience with Quizlet. I'll talk to you later. Bye.